Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Nice. This is the jerk bait. Nice. Uh-oh. Came back. Uh-oh. What's this? You catch the bass, I catch the fish. It's not fair, Patrick. It's not fair, man. Your things are healthy, man. Yeah, show off with your bass. It's okay. I'll take the L. Okay. If y'all look over there, Patrick just got a bass. Me? Let me show you what I got. Another pickerel. But it's okay. We know it's bass in here now. He done caught the first one. I'll see you, buddy. All right. Man, I'm serious. This ain't right. No, I don't. Everything except for bass. Okay, look at this. Oh, it's Matt called me back. Let's get this thing back in the water. Nice. At least he is trying to get away, Patrick.
Yeah, I guess so.
He just got a big one. Man, them things are healthy.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, man, I wish you was out here with us, man. This is crazy. So you know we got to be out here together. All right, you guys, got this white crappie on the jerk bait. Let's get him back in the water. Got another one on the jerk bait, guys. Let's get them back in the water. This is the third one, third cast, third crappie. Thanks, buddy. So what? Hey guys, I'm ready to pack it up and go home because I cannot get a bass out this place. That's bad. Look at this. No matter what I throw out there, I cannot get a bass. I done threw square bill, lipless crankbait, I done threw worms, and I'm using my jerk bait, and I cannot get a bass, you guys. So y'all help me out. Please help me out. I'm gonna get this back in the water. What's going on, Patrick?
Hey, that's a nice man.
You want him? I'm trying to get a bass though, Patrick. Just one. One small one, one big one. It don't matter. Just a bass. That's all I want. Oh, this bass. Yeah. Oh man, yeah. Ain't you know I ain't uploaded that video yet? Everything except for bass. Okay. Man called me back. Alright, you guys. Did get on a few out here at the new place. Chain pickerel, crappie. Paul Man Bassett got on a bass, but this place has it's 3 ponds. There's 2 out there by the street on both sides of the entrance. You got the big one that they do the canoeing in, and you have a little small one right here. Got on a few. It was first time. You have to figure out what they want, how they want it, what baits to choose. So I was using the Rapala jerk bait, which is the silver and black back. It did all right, but hey, still got to figure this thing out, because if it's smaller bass in here and if it's big chain picker in here, somewhere down the line there's big bass in here. So we'll come out here and I'll keep you posted. So y'all guys, I appreciate you for watching. I really appreciate you for liking, sharing, subscribing to my channel. Y'all keep doing that, and hey, I appreciate you even more. You guys have a good one. Till the next video. See you later.